So far we have derived few cases. Those we will draw here. So first case we derived is central point load. What is the fixed moments for this? PL by 8. Okay. Then eccentric P AB square by L square at B PA square B by L square. Kiran.
Yes, sir.
Dini చెప్పు UDL ki
Yes, sir.
1 minute.
WL square by 12. Okay. Arjun. Arjun.
अरे
Arjun. For central moment, what are the fixed moments?
M by 4.
M by 4. Srinivas చెప్తున్నారు. Okay. M by 4, same direction. Okay. Then eccentric couple AB, then same direction
M
M B by
P L square 3A minus L.
3A minus L. Here M A by L square
L square
3B minus L.
3B minus L.
So ఇవి మీరు గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలన్నమాట. Okay. Then what else? Then suppose if you have a settlement at one side, what would be the fixed moments? We'll see. Settlement. That means
Sir, UVL మీద ఉందా sir?
yeah, that we will see. Suppose a fixed beam settled one side like this, delta amount. Because of this settlement, what are the fixed moments will develop there? Students, that we will see. Let us assume flexural rigidity EA. Next, for this actually, let us assume actually there are no external loads. That's why let us assume simply supported beam with MA and another simply supported beam with MB. Actually, both will be in anti-clockwise. That we will see whether it is correct or not. For this, we know bending moment diagrams are like this, because reactions anti-clockwise means clockwise reactions like this. So MA by L, it is negative MA. Similarly here anti-clockwise, clockwise couple like this, MA by L, sorry, MB by L. Well, bending moment diagram is like this. L span here. This is positive. Now, negative area equal to positive area. Negative area equal to positive area. We'll apply.
Sir, MB by L direction.
Yeah. Okay. Negative area equal to positive area. So half into L into MA equal to half into L into MB. Therefore, MA equal to MB. MA equal to MB. That is one condition. Let us assume it is M. MA, MB, M. Okay. Now, MB is also M. Okay. Now, second condition is actually moment area theorem 2. In moment area theorem 2, if you apply a, if you draw a tangent at A, if you draw a tangent at A, it is, this is the tangent. Then point B is here. The deviation is delta. Okay. So according to this, ఏంటది రౌండ్ చేశారు ఎందుకు ఓకే MA equal to MB. So if you draw a tangent at A, then deviation at B, delta equal to area, moment of area of
Sir, second simply supported beam ki ఈ bending moment diagram opposite అవుతుంది సార్.
bending moment diagram.
ట్రయాంగిల్ MB సైడ్ వస్తుంది
Yeah,
కదా సార్,
sorry.
B సైడ్.
Yeah, correct. You are right. Positive like this. MB. Yes, correct. So delta equal to moment of area of curvature diagram. Okay. Now actually here sign convention also we need to follow. The actually the delta is actually negative delta because it is downward. You need to take negative. So negative delta equal to minus delta equal to moment of area of curvature diagrams. So moment of area, net moment of area. Net moment of area means positive minus negative. So positive is how much? Half into, let us take MB equal to M, half into M into L is the area by A, because curvature diagram, according to moment area theorem, deviation is equal to deviation between, deviation of point B from tangent drawn at A is equal to the moment of curvature diagram area between A and B. Between A and B, you know, this negative and this positive. So positive is half into M into L is the area of bending moment diagram, divided by A, that is curvature diagram, into L by 3. Next, negative area, that's why minus half into L into MA equal to also M. So that is the area by EI, that is curvature diagram area. Negative area, that's why negative we put here, and central distance is 2/3 of L. Now minus delta equal to here ML square by 6EI minus this one ML square by 3EI. So minus delta equal to minus ML square by 6EI. So delta equal to M equal to fixed moment M equal to 6EI delta by L square. So finally we got fixed moments like this 6EI delta by L square, and here also anti-clockwise 6 EI delta by L square. Okay. So now we can write here also. So for this delta, if delta is the settlement, then anti-clockwise couple will develop here 6 EI delta by L square, and here also 6 EI delta by L square. Okay, these are the standard cases. Okay, we need to remember all this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, you may ask what we need to do if we have some part UDL or UVL and all those things, combination of loads and all. So combination of loads not a problem. We can individually you can find out fixed moments and you can add. But what about partial UDL or UVL? So now we'll see what to do for UVL, uniformly varying load. Okay, uniformly varying load means suppose if we have fixed beam like this and load is like this, load I will apply here. This is the loading. On this fixed beam, this is the loading. Here W kilonewton per meter intensity. L is the span. Okay, A, B. Now it is very simple. At a distance of x, take a strip dx. Obviously, the height will be W into x by L. Now, just observe here. You have a point load kind of thing here at x distance. This right side distance will be L minus x. The point load will be Wx by L into dx, right? Because the area, that area represents, dx is very small. That area, width is dx, height is Wx by L. That area will be Wx by L into dx. So for this, dMA equal to, you know, formula WAB square by L square. That is, W means here, I mean PAB square by L square, right? P means here Wx by L dx. It is looks like a P. A is x, B is L minus x whole square by L square. Similarly, dMB equal to, D means because of the part load. Okay, Wx by L dx is looks like a P. A is x, that means A square. B L minus x by L square. See here, you know, this is the PAB square by L square and PA square B by L square for eccentric point load. So based on that, you have written this one. Okay, then MA equal to for entire load integral 0 to L. X is varying from 0 to L, that's why 0 to L. dMA, that is W x by L dx. I will write last x into L minus x whole square dx. Okay, which is equal to integral 0 to L W x square by L into L square plus x square minus 2LX dx. That equal to integral, of course, W by L is common. W by L integral 0 to L x square multiplying L square x square plus x power 4 minus 2L x cube dx, which is equal to W by L x square integration is x cube by 3. Applying L cube by 3. That means L power 5 by 3. X power 4 means x power 5 by 5. L power 5 by 5. Minus by L square also is there. 1 by L square, right? 1 by L square. So L square L cube here. Minus 2L x power 4 by 4. That means L power 4 by 4. So L power 5 by L cube L square. So W L square into 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5 minus 1 by 2, which is equal to WL square into LCM is 30, 10 plus 6 minus 15, which is equal to WL square by 30. This is MA. MA for UL is WL square by 30. Similarly, we'll see for MB also. MB equal to integral 0 to L W x by L into dx x square into L minus x 1 by L square equal to W by L cube integral 0 to L Lx square minus x cube dx that equal to W by L cube. X square means x cube by 3, that means L power 4, sorry, something wrong, W x cube x power 4, right? L x cube minus L x power, x power 4. Then it is x power 4 integration is x cube integration is x power 4 by 4. That means L power 5 by 4. This is L power 5 by 5, which is equal to 1 by 4 minus 1 by 5 is 1 by 20. So W L square by 20. So for fixed beam carrying UVL like this, L span W intensity here, MA WL square by 30 anti-clockwise, MB clockwise WL square by 20. You can observe here 1 by 20 is more than 1 by 30. So higher intensity side movement will be higher. That you can see. Srinivas, clear on it out? Clear in the?
Yes, sir.
So like this, for any other cases also, I mean, suppose note chestunnaru idantha noted kada
డిఎంఏ డిఎంబి ఇలా వచ్చాయో చెప్పారా అర్థం అవ్వలేదు.
Okay, DMA DMB ala vachinayi. So it is like if point load is like this, so because of this load, let us assume it is P, let us assume this is A, let us assume this is B. If we have a point load like this, AB, P, then fixed moments are PAB square by L square, right? This will be PA square B by L square. Just what is P now? Wx by L into dx. So this is just like a P. Okay. The x is like a A. This L by x is like a B. Okay. Same PAB square by L square. Okay. Similarly this one. It is clear?
అర్థం అవ్వలేదు సార్.
అర్థం అవ్వలేదా? ఇది కనిపిస్తుంది, ఇది అర్థమైంది నీకు? పి లోడ్ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఏబి ఉన్నప్పుడు ఇవి అర్థమైనాయా? పి ఏబి స్క్వేర్ బై ఎల్ స్క్వేర్.
అర్థమైంది సార్.
ఇక్కడ పి బదులు ఏముంది నీకు? ఇక్కడ దీంట్లో ఇక్కడ ఏముంది? ఏం కనబడుతుంది పి బదులు?
డబ్ల్యూఎక్స్ బై ఎల్.
డబ్ల్యూఎక్స్ బై ఎల్ ఇంటూ డిఎక్స్ కదా. అది అర్థమైందా ఎలా వచ్చిందో?
అవును సార్.
అదే నేను ఇక్కడ పెట్టాను చూడు ఇక్కడ ఏం పెట్టాను wx/l dx పెట్టాను p బదులు ఏ బదులు ఏం పెట్టాను
ఓకే సార్
x పెట్టాను p బదులు ఏం పెట్టాను
L
l - x పెట్టాను స్క్వేర్ అట్లనే ఉంది బై l స్క్వేర్ ఏమర్థం కావాలి ఇక్కడ d ఎందుకు పెట్టాను మొత్తం లోడ్ తీసుకోలేదు స్మాల్ లోడ్ తీసుకున్నాను ఓన్లీ dx లోడ్ తీసుకున్నాను dx విత్ లో ఉన్న లోడ్ అది కూడా d పెట్టాను దాన్ని ఇంటిగ్రేట్ చేస్తే MA వస్తుంది అనమాట
ఓకే సార్
క్లియరా
అర్థమైంది సార్ డిఎంబి సార్
సేమ్ డిఎంబి అంతే p a స్క్వేర్ b బై l స్క్వేర్ ఇది x అనేది a l - x అనేది b ఇది a ఇది b ఇది p see p a స్క్వేర్ b బై l స్క్వేర్
ఓకే సార్ అర్థమైంది
okay similarly suppose if you have some part load like this suppose like this only L/2 span only is there UDL how to do okay maybe now similarly here if you consider a distance x and dx load this one dx if you consider what happens only w dx is the point load now this side x right side l minus x okay now MA will be now okay integral see x is varying from 0 to l/2 only up to l/2 UDL is there that's why 0 to l/2 then same formula PAB square w dx is the p a x b l minus x square by l square that's all okay similarly MB equal to integral 0 to l/2 w dx is like a p x a square means x square l minus x by l square if you evaluate that MA equal to see here w by l square is outside and that one integral 0 to l/2 l minus x whole square means l square x is there x plus x square means x square into x cube minus 2lx minus 2l x square dx that equal to w by l square l square x square by 2 plus l power 4 by 4 minus 2l x cube by 3 0 to l by 2 that equal to w by l square l power 4 by 2 square means 4 8 plus sorry here x power 4 by 4 x power 4 means l power 4 2 power 4 is 16 64 minus 12 by 3 into x cube means l cube by 8 that equal to w l square into 1 by 8 plus 1 by 64 minus 1 by 12 so what is this quantity చెప్పండి ఎవరైనా క్విక్ గా similarly MB equal to w by l square integral 0 to l by 2 lx square minus x cube dx that equal to w by l square
11 by 192.
11 by 192 w l square l x cube by 3 minus x power 4 by 4 0 to l by 2 which equal to w by l square into l by 3 into l cube by 8 minus 1 by 4 into l power 4 by 16 equal to w l square into 1 by 24 minus 1 by 64 how much
11 by 192.
ఎంతది MB
5/192.
5/192 WL square. Okay. So like this. So any part UDL or part UVL so can be determined like this. Just by integrating. Okay. Take a dx width of load and integrate for the entire load. Okay. That is the way of finding fixed moments. ఓకే, ఇంకేం డౌట్ లేదనుకుంటా. ఫిక్స్డ్ మూమెంట్స్ ఎవరైనా చేయగలుగుతారు ఇప్పుడు, సెటిల్మెంట్ ఉన్నా ఏదున్నా సరే కదా. అండ్ వన్ మోర్ థింగ్, సపోజ్ ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ చెప్పమా
సార్ లిమిట్ L/2 పెట్టారు కదా
అవునా
ఇందాక,
అవును
ఎక్కడ దాకా యూడిఎల్ యాక్ట్ అయితే అక్కడ వరకు లిమిట్ తీసుకోవాలా సార్?
అంతే UDL starting నుండి extending ఎక్కడ వరకు ఉంది. Suppose if you have a settlement on left side, then this will be like this. Clockwise couple will come 6EI delta by L square. Left side settlement is there, then clockwise couples will develop. Right side settlement is there, anti-clockwise couples will develop. Okay, so these things you should remember. And of course you can remember this also, UVL WL square by 30 and WL square by 20. Can remember this. Okay, సో మీరు మొత్తం నేర్చేసుకోవాలన్నమాట, ఇవన్నీ ఎక్కడైనా చెప్పేటట్టు ఉండాలన్నమాట. ఎందుకంటే ఇవి రాకపోతే మనం ఇంకా ఫర్దర్గా మూమెంట్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్ మెథడ్స్, స్లోప్ డిఫ్లెక్షన్ మెథడ్స్, ఫ్లెక్సిబిలిటీ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ మెథడ్స్, స్టిఫ్నెస్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ మెథడ్స్ అవన్నీ చేసేటప్పుడు మనకు ఫిక్స్డ్ మూమెంట్స్ అవసరం అవుతాయి అన్నమాట. ఇది ప్రీ రిక్విసైట్ అనమాట. ఇండిటర్మినేట్ స్ట్రక్చర్స్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఈ ఫిక్స్డ్ మూమెంట్స్ అని తెలిస్తే చాలా క్విక్ గా మనం చేయొచ్చు అనమాట. ఓకే, టేక్ అన్ అసైన్మెంట్, find fixed moments. Okay, find fixed moments. Number 1. Number 2. Suppose if you have like this, fixed moment due to ten kilonewtons and fixed moment due to 20 kilonewtons. Separately you can do. Okay.
సార్ ఇప్పటి వరకు కవర్ అయిన స్ట్రక్చర్ అనాలిసిస్ పార్ట్ కు బుక్స్ రిఫర్ చేయడానికి మంచి బుక్స్ చెప్పండి.
దేవదాస్ మీనన్.
స్ట్రక్చర్ అనాలిసిస్ సార్.
స్ట్రక్చర్ అనాలిసిస్ దేవదాస్ మీనన్.
ఓకే సార్.
సార్ ఎయిత్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ రెండు స్ప్లిట్ చేసి మూమెంట్స్ యాడ్ చేస్తే అయిపోద్ది కదా సార్?
అంతే అంతే సేమ్.
అది కపుల్ది ఒకసారి పాయింట్ లోది ఒకసారి కనుక్కొని రెండు యాడ్ చేస్తే అయిపోద్ది కదా సార్?
అంతే అంతే.
ఓకే సార్.
ఓకే.
సార్ స్టాండ్ సార్ 11th దానిలో.
If load is upward direction, then the movement direction will change. Okay, be careful. ఈ అసైన్మెంట్ కంప్లీట్ చేయండి. మీకు ఫార్ములాస్ గుర్తుంటే మీరు ఈజీగా చేయవచ్చు అన్నమాట ఇవన్నీ.